Happiness is a journey, not a destination. The journey of happiness leads to perfection. Perfection of your life, perfection of your true potential. You remember feeling happiness at one point in your life, but wonder why that moment of happiness cannot be sustained or felt again. You say you want to be happy, but don't know how to solve your life's complex situations in order to accommodate your own happiness. You search for shortcuts, secrets, advice, miracle formulas, and techniques that will guarantee you an entire life of happiness, the same way materialistic items promise to perform the way you expect them to. The reason you were once a happy child, teenager, or adult at one point in your life is because you simply lived in a comfortable routine that brought unforgettable memories, stimulating the visualization of future dreams of success and satisfaction in your mind. However, this is only a taste of happiness. It is easy to say to yourself, I want to be happy. However, your current life situation or crucial decisions you've made or were forced to make in the past have altered your desire and vision of what a life of happiness should be. You soon realize there are no shortcuts, secrets, no amount of advice from different types of people, no miracle formulas that will all of a sudden magically make your life complete and filled with happiness. Humans today have fallen victim to labels and groups, professions, deceptive dead-end education, and behavioral indoctrination which prevents you from learning what true happiness is. People have developed a deep, apathetic, depressed, lonely, passive, and non-enthusiastic, sarcastic mindset. From fast food to believing in invisible gods, all the way to uncontrollable lethargy and ambiguity, people of our modern world are stagnant in a life of man-made responsibilities and detrimental ideals. Happiness is not an end goal. It is a state of being content with nothing else other than what is truly important, which is your domestic life. Happiness is who you are when you wake up and who you are when you fall asleep. It is who you have come to be, complete with absolute wisdom and an open heart and mind. Happiness depends on you and no one else but you. Your family raised you to be another slave servant to the current world order. They convinced you that school and work are crucial to surviving in life. What your family did not teach you is the most important part of your life, learning how to create, maintain, and perfect happiness. How could your family even begin to teach you what happiness is? Your parents were most likely never truly happy to begin with. One cannot teach the lessons of happiness when one does not know how to realize, maintain, and produce an infinite abundance of lifelong happiness. People are much more comfortable wearing a mask instead of realizing their true self, which ultimately leads to a permanent state of happiness. However, 100% of the people I've met in my life enjoy following instead of leading, joking instead of putting forth a sincere effort towards the intellectual mastery required in order to attain true happiness. Our attention deficit hyperactive world populations are numb to the simplistic possibilities of living the most positive, rich, self-fulfilling life imaginable. Yet many claim to be in a state of happiness, facing the world with an invisible mask of stereotypical hypocrisy, insincerity, and indoctrinated political correctness. This, of course, is not real happiness. It's an illusion of simple satisfaction of what is rather than what could be. The cause of our nearly incurable world of extremely negative civilizations is due to the fact that humans have become highly trained to become selfish, aggressive, and happily depressed individuals. True happiness, as with true love, is impossible to actualize in such a detrimental state of mind. If you are serious about becoming a permanently happy individual, you first need to learn the intuitive art of knowing thyself. You must cleanse your mind of all negativity, unlearning the artificial lifestyle of meaningless illusions and ideals that currently represent the mindset you accept as reality. A truly happy individual sees themselves as a mentally and spiritually strong human. They do not think they are, they know they are. A truly happy person realizes that time does not exist. They realize that their life comes first, not money, professions, or egotistical man-made illusions such as wealth and status. When a truly happy individual is asked how old they are, they respond with time does not exist. When asked what profession or how much money they desire, they respond, a perfect domestic life is all I desire. They realize no amount of money can enhance or replace the close relationship they have with themselves, as well as with those they choose to love, should they be wise and fortunate to find true love. Perfection of your domestic life begins with mastering everything about yourself. Limit your life of the many useless addictions and distractions you have, such as excessive television, movies, games, music, as well as engaging in too many conversations regarding other people. Focus on yourself. Open your mind to understanding subjects you feel uncomfortable with. Study subjects you don't quite understand. The more you expand your mind, the more you will learn about yourself, breaking the spell of negativity casted upon you since the day you were born. If you are fortunate to have someone to love or are dedicating your attention towards someone special in your life, do not wait for birthdays, Valentine's Day, or the weekend to demonstrate your profound love for your partner. Every day is a holiday. Every day represents a new birth into the world as you awaken in the morning. Realize that a weekend is nothing more than 2 days out of a 7-day week, which is a subliminal mind-controlling man-made concept of limited free time. Realize that weeks are only a unit of measure, as is time, and should not dictate how you should spend your energy and attention. If you do not have free time, make free time. If you do not enjoy your profession, change your profession. Do not maintain a weak mindset by believing certain aspects of your life are unable to be altered to your needs. If you are not content in the state or country you live in, move to another state or country. If happiness matters to you, then you will dedicate your attention and efforts towards making necessary arrangements and changes possible. Remember that you come first. If you are involved in a serious relationship, then both of you come first. To live life without limits is to live the true life you were meant to live. As cliché as the words life, love, and happiness have become, it is within your natural power to define what these words mean for you while discarding other people's negative, passive, and numb interpretations of these words. If you are unable to wake up every day with a deep feeling of happiness, whether alone or in a relationship, then there are changes or enhancements that are required to make in your life. If you really care for your own well-being, you will make these changes or improve every aspect of your domestic life. If you are in a relationship, your partner should care for your happiness together as one, with no arguments or evasive attitudes. A real relationship functions as one and nothing less. Hopefully you will begin to look deep within yourself, extracting what was once present as a child, reliving and maintaining your natural youth, which was subconsciously discarded upon becoming indoctrinated by school and work. Our modern-day civilizations are all about slavery and ignorance. Those who rule our world think of us as mindless zombies with no power, no strength, and no unity. Will you accept the world of illusions that have blinded your infinite potential? Or will you begin to realize your true self, creating, maintaining, and striving for a perfect life, filled with real happiness?